This brand is made in China and can be purchased on Amazon, but their warranty is not very good when compared to other brands. The unit uses a Peltier module instead of a traditional refrigerant system, which makes them very quiet when they are running, but they have a very minimal capacity for moisture removal. The unit has a drain hose, which does not make much sense for a unit with this limited capacity, and a half-gallon condensate tank. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.